In this video, we'll take a look at lens extensions. There are over 100 extensions currently available on top of Lens, and 15 of them are publicly made. To view extensions, it's quite simple. We'll click Lens on the top left screen, Extensions, and we'll be brought to a screen where we can install an extension on top of our desktop application. First, we'll want to take a look at which extensions are publicly made available. Clicking Available Extensions will automatically launch the publicly made extensions that are vetted by Team Lens. There are several extensions that user can choose from. The Mirantis Container Cloud extension by Mirantis that allows you to very easily add a MCC cluster directly to Lens. A Starboard extension by Aqua Security, which gives our users the ability to see vulnerability reports on their Kubernetes clusters, and many more. In order to get started with an extension, it's quite simple. You'll want to install that extension. We'll install the resource map. We'll go to Releases. And we'll actually install this extension directly to our operating system. Once installed, we'll navigate back to Lens, search for that installation, that extension. We'll click on it. And I believe it's this one actually. Yep. And we'll use this configuration. We'll install it. We uninstalled it because I already had it, and then we installed a new one so we can see. Now that this extension is installed, to view this extension, it's quite simple. We'll close out of the screen, scroll to the bottom, and click Resource Map. All extensions are at the bottom of our navigation. Clicking Resource Map will actually launch the extension. Resource Map is the name of this extension. This extension is quite cool. It's actually developed by Team Lens, and it shows us how all of our Kubernetes objects and resources are related to one another. Hovering over one of these, you can immediately see the details of this particular object and resource. You can click into it, and it immediately gives you that granular view that we're also aware of within Lens, the desktop application. As mentioned, there's hundreds of different extensions currently available, many of them being private, but 15 publicly made extensions that anybody can leverage. I do want to note that users and organizations within the cloud native ecosystem have the ability to create any extension and leverage our user base. Navigating back to Lens and clicking Extensions, we'll click Check out Docs, and this is where you can find out how to build a Lens extension. Everything is in one beautiful place. Going back to Lens, clicking Escape. It looks like our Minikube cluster timed out. That's fine. We'll reconnect. May take a moment. See what's going on. Perfect. And we're back to our cluster. All extensions live at the bottom, and you can very easily leverage these extensions. This is my favorite extension that allows us to understand how our resources are related to one another. Thank you.